Do you want to learn how to use Eddy AI? It's like a ChatGPT for video editing, and in this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first, I found the software on Product Hunt. This is where people post their new launches of softwares, and I found this Eddy AI here. It's a ChatGPT for video editing. If you don't know about ChatGPT, it's by OpenAI, and in here you can ask ChatGPT for different things, like you can summarize text, create images, and such. So with Eddy AI, you can craft rough cuts in seconds. It's like a co-pilot that edits interview footage with text prompts. Now you can export it to an MP4 file or polish it with Adobe, like Adobe Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. So here I'm going to go over to heyeddy.ai, and in here you will find a message which says, "Hey, I'm Eddy, your AI video editor. You can check out the demos below." These are 3 demos that they have created. I'm going to choose one of them, the second one. It's going to show us a full video here. Now it will ask you, like, let me know what you want me to do. This is the AI that's talking to you. In here, you've got these 4 options, or you can also chat with Eddy, just like how you do on ChatGPT. So you can highlight the funniest moments from Paul Rudd's Hot Ones interview into a 1-minute clip, or you can create a video of this spiciest wings, or you can summarize this whole video, or you can ask it to create like short clips. Those things are possible with Eddy AI. Click on this button which says summarize Paul Rudd's best responses, and let's see what Eddy AI will create for us. And I can ask it to create a video of his reactions to the spiciest wings. So here we have got the edited version by Eddy AI, and we can take a look. It's 2 minutes 47 seconds out of the uncut video that we have here. And it also gave us the timeline from where it has cut those 2 minutes 47 seconds from the uncut video. So from 18 minutes, it has cut till 1941, this part, then it cut this part and this and this. It also gives you an explanation to why this is the part that it has highlighted. It showcases his humor and resilience throughout the challenge. Okay, so this is how it works with the demo video. Now you may be asking, like, how can I import my video and make Eddy AI edit that video? So for that, you can go into new project, and in here, it's going to say, hey, send me a video and we can get rolling. So here you can send via a Google Drive, Box, or you can upload a video from here. I'm going to choose one video which I took a long while ago. So here I asked it to edit the video so it looks good without any mistakes. So it made the 8 seconds video and cut it down to 5 seconds. Just took the part from 2 to 6 seconds. This looks much better than the video which I had before. In the starting section, I'm trying to adjust myself and then I start speaking. So it cuts that part, the first 2 seconds. So once you have your video ready, under the video, you will have on the right export button. Click on this and you will have a drop down with the first option being Adobe Premiere. And then you also have SRT captions. You can export the captions. You can make it a vertical, convert this video into a vertical format. Also make a video plus captions. You can do that as well. Then Final Cut and Davinci Resolve is there. Let's do a video plus captions. Let's see what it creates. Okay, so this is what you can currently do with Eddy AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.